Okay, let's go now for the revolving windshield sitting back to the guard. Engage, you turn, windshield. Good. Get your legs out of the way, spin, right back. And windshield. Good. Let go, legs out of the way, roll back. Let me take you down, let me take you down. Come with me, lie down, come with me. Lie down on your shoulder. Bring your legs up. Yes. Let go, spin your legs out of the way, roll right back. Good. Okay, let me take you down, protect your foot out of the way. Hip and shoulder on the ground. Bring your legs and trap. Yes. Let go, spin your legs out of the way and come back. One more time. Okay? You're in shield, you're sitting, stop. As your shoulder falls on the ground, kick your both legs out. Yeah, very good. Stop, get your legs out of the way. Get your legs out of the way and spin all the way back. You push me once so I can show. When I fall here, then I get my hip under you and I get trapped. Okay, you move away, walk away. I move my legs out of the way. Windshield. Okay, bring my legs close to me and elbow and knee on the ground. Okay, one more time. Even if I take you all the way down, bring your legs up and trap. Let go, let me go, and keep holding me. I'll pull you back. Yeah. Lie down, back to the guard. Good. Get your legs out of the way and roll your back. One more time. Windshield and bring it back. Let go. I pull you right back. Go back. Get your legs out of the way. Spin a little bit. Roll your knees. Yeah. Give me 5. Good.